time to open door number 12. And yes, I'm still sick, but we can still have fun. So, welcome! I think I'm going to try something different today, and I'm just too excited to open the door, so let's start with that. Let's see if I can get it open. So, what do you think it is? It might be a bit, I don't know. Let's see. No, it's not. It's one of those tiny screwdrivers again. I need a pry bar. This is a good pry bar. So, this is what we got this time. An even tinier screwdriver than the first one. This is 0.3 and 2.0. A flathead, really tiny one. I don't know if you can see it even. Nice deal as always. The nice grip. A little yellow ring here, so I can spin it. That's a nice feature. And the first one was 0.4 and 2.5, so it's a little bit bigger. So I guess there's going to be a set of these. Nice. I noticed something. And there's a... I don't know if you can see it, but it says 25 there. They all have a number. This says 24. Then it has 8. And this has 6. They all say different stuff. This one has 25 and 2. I don't know what that is. It should mean something. Well, that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.